Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 13th of October 2024. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please note that the content does not represent our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. Tesla's recent unveiling of the Cybercab, a driverless robotaxi, at the We Robot event has sparked a wave of criticism. Former Waymo CEO John Krafcik voiced skepticism about Tesla's commitment to safety and accessibility, pointing out the vehicle's low seating as a potential barrier for elderly and disabled passengers. The event, which saw Tesla's stock drop by 10%, left some Wall Street analysts disappointed due to a lack of detailed information. Despite the criticism, Elon Musk announced plans to mass-produce the Cybercab by 2027, though his history of ambitious deadlines has raised doubts about the feasibility of this timeline. Elon Musk's acquisition of the social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter, has led to significant changes in its political landscape. The platform has become a hub for right-wing political culture and the spread of conspiracy theories, with Musk dismantling the trust and safety team responsible for moderating false content. This shift has been marked by the reinstatement of previously banned users, such as Laura Loomer and Alex Jones, who have resumed sharing controversial claims. The lack of effective fact-checking mechanisms has exacerbated the spread of misinformation, posing risks of scapegoating and inciting violence. In a recent incident, the Trump campaign collaborated with X to suppress a leaked document related to J.D. Vance, Trump's potential running mate. Journalist Ken Klippenstein, who shared the document, was banned from the platform, sparking concerns about the intersection of social media, political influence, and free speech rights. Musk's involvement in Trump rallies and his funding of a political action committee to support Trump's campaign have further fueled these concerns. A lawsuit has been filed by Cards Against Humanity, LLC, against SpaceX in Cameron County, Texas. The suit alleges unauthorized use and occupation of K's property by SpaceX, which has reportedly conducted construction activities without permission. CH seeks up to $15 million in damages and a permanent injunction, highlighting tensions between large corporations and smaller entities over property rights and community impact. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these updates on Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink insightful. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered. Join us again tomorrow for more news and analysis. Until then, stay informed and take care.